Hola, surprise, it's me, Sassysamey, Sam here on YouTube. Wow. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be a quick first impression / review on the Makeup Revolution concealer that everybody has been talking about for a very, very long time. I picked this up, I think, 4 weeks ago, and then I kind of forgot about it. So now I'm here doing a first impression because so far I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's gonna be super quick, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. New upload schedules will be Wednesdays and Saturdays because your girl is back at school, so I have a lot of stuff to do. Let's go to the video. Bye, Felicia. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be doing a first impression on the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. That's a lot of words to say, and I have been waiting to try this on camera. I know that I've heard a lot of really good reviews, and so I decided to pick it up, and I want to do a first impressions because why not? Got the color C11. Hopefully this will be my shade. I'm not really 100% sure because I kind of just picked one up. I think I tried the testers at Ulta, but you know, hopefully, I mean, it works out. Everyone says it's very comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. So we'll see how this goes and show you the applicator. It's a really big felt tip applicator, just like that. It has a lot of product on it, but this is the shade that I got. So let's get started. I already primed my face, put my foundation on, and then also did my eye makeup, so I'm pretty much done. I just need to conceal, set everything, and then wham bam. I don't really have that much. Oh, actually I think this is gonna work. I don't know if I'm supposed to put a lot or a little bit, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna use my dirty beauty blender, which I just applied my foundation, but I like it so far. Does it have a scent? It doesn't have a scent. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and look up. Blend. Ooh, it's super easy to blend with the beauty blender. Also, I don't see, it doesn't settle into my fine lines, which is pretty cool. Also, it covers really well because I have really dark under eye circles, and it really brightens up this area. So if you guys can see, it has a little bit more color here, whereas over here it's kind of like dull. So it adds a little bit more life back to my face, which is pretty awesome. So I'm going to just go ahead and apply some on this side. And I believe this concealer is only $7. So $7 compared to the Tarte, which is I believe $24. That's pretty amazing. I mean, like, you could basically buy 3 of these and then it'll be, you know, good to go. I really like the way that it blends. It's super easy to blend out compared to the Tarte one, because I know that that one is super thick. It took me a really long time to blend it out, and also it dried really fast. This one, not so bad. So far, I like it. First impressions, so, you know, see how it wears and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my forehead to highlight my nose and my chin. The foundation that I'm using today is Too Faced Born This Way. This one is in the shade Honey. I have been in love with this for a very long time, and I recently just picked up another one, so that's why I started using it again. Wow. Ooh, I really like the finish of this Hold on, sorry. I really like the finish of this concealer. It feels really, really good on the skin. Like the Tarte Shape Tape, I can actually feel it on my skin when I put it on, like under my eyes. Ooh. Ooh. Now I think hold on. I have like super like, lines. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and set it. I am going to be using the Wet n Wild pressed powder in the color Warm Beige. It's the first time trying this as well, but I'm going to set like around my eyes because that's normally what I do. That's how I work on my makeup, you know what I mean? So this is what that looks like. It looks super light, but we're just going to work with it. Wow, that's a lot of... Oh, that works. So that is setting my skin. I'm gonna use the Pure Sculptor bronzer. I'm gonna go with the lighter one only because this one is hella dark and I don't really need that much. I think this one also smells like chocolate, you know? So I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face. e.l.f. blush palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here. This is the light one. They don't really have like shade names, but I'm going to use that color. Only because I really like terracotta looking shades. And I think it'll be really pretty. Because, I mean, my eye makeup is already like super bright, so... So pretty. I really like that one. The concealer is really, really nice. It feels really good right now on the skin. I'm going to use this highlighter, which I've never actually used before. This is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color Crown of My Canopy. So I'm going to go ahead and try that out. Ooh, that's nice. I'm putting them on my nips. And then I'm going to set it with my Continuous Set Mist, which is amazing. That is basically it. I just wanted to do a quick first impressions on the concealer. So far, I really like it. I like the coverage. I like the way that it applies because it was super easy to blend, super blendable. The color choices are pretty good. I think they have, what, 18 different shades? I could be wrong. But I really, really like it so far. I think that this might be a new favorite. I have also been loving the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer as well. So these two, so far so good. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick, super easy. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave all my links down below for you to go ahead and follow. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this.